that is out, and this is out. Um, Exchange saving account. Transfer funds from your exchange bank. Let's see, transfer funds from your exchange bank card. Yeah, that's pretty much what we'll have here. So change this to about 20 to make it bolder, and let's reduce it to 18. Let's reduce it to 17 again. So regular to medium, increase this to 15, and increase this to 18. So yeah, so pretty much that's what we have here, and exchange dollar account and exchange naira account. So exchange naira account. Let's just take it text statements out for now because I don't want to break it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Transfer money. Change this to transfer money. So so when you select where you want to send the money through, then you click on proceed. So yeah. Let's add an icon. I think we have enough icons here to work with. So you can use this icon. You can also use the other icon for the wallet. You can use this icon for exchange dollar, okay, because it has a dollar icon on top, and then we'll have to do a similar thing for naira accounts. How do we get here? So let's zoom in here and type N. Change it to semi-bold and change it to semi-bold. draw the Naira sign and okay, good. So let's just leave it as Naira for now. And then we have the first step to transferring money to someone, and when you select that first, then you can now add the account information of the person you want to send the money to. So we maintain things the way they are, just we change a few other things too. Okay, so let's move this because we already have beneficiaries. I want to make do with this. So we already have beneficiaries. So we have beneficiaries already. So we can start with sending money to our beneficiaries and then we send money to other people. So this is pretty much the bank mobile app interface that you interact with every day. So it's not like a totally new or a totally something that you have to like sit down and over crack your brain. You just pick inspiration from similar bank applications and then you design yours or you design for your clients if you have it for one. So make this rounded and duplicate it. So let's have a text here, increase the text size to about 8, to about 9 accounts, account number, account number of the person, the bank, beneficiaries, name, amount. So beneficiaries. Okay, now yes, it's beneficiaries number, mobile number. There's a similar mistake here. So good. And check that out. Amounts we need a Naira icon here. So you can download a Naira icon or you create your own. Um, and if you want to add remarks, you can add a remark to um, example transfer to ABC to close bracket and okay. I think that's basically that's basic most basic information you need to put out for people to feel. So you're done with that, then you can run with it. So change the text color to right. So that's good. And also um okay, let's leave that and proceed. When you okay, let's add to beneficiary. Add to beneficiary should be something like okay, black. That's beneficiary. Okay, so when that those informations when you're done filling those informations, then you can proceed to um, add account detail screen and transfer money. So you can proceed to um, probably transaction successful screen or OTP verification. We have OTP verification screen here. So it might not be exactly this way, but I'm just trying to design something similar. Verify your OTP. So OTP verification. When you input OTP, you proceed. So last screen will probably be will be has to be payment successful. So payment successful. Payment successful screen. However you want to design it, depending on the aesthetics you need. So let's see what a dark interface for this would look like. Payment successful screen. Because I'm trying to achieve contrast here, except I have to do um make the background white and make this primary color. So this okay, yeah, I can work with it. Bold Poppins. That's our font. So let's bring this up here and I'll say back to dashboard. So yeah, that's good. Around it and let's make a white outline and then a tick to show payment successful on the tick inside here. Okay, so that is done. So you've successfully transferred money and successfully transferred money to this person. So how this flow works is you see the amount, you see this person's name, Rita, the account number. So you input the amount you want to send to Rita, and select the account you want to send the money with. And when you select the account, you have a hover effect with a stroke like this. Could be that, could also be blue to show that there's an action that is going to be taken. Then you pay now. So payment successful from your card, easy payment. So so the final flow that we are going to design is going to be a flow for deposit money. There are a few cases of deposit money in a mobile app, but we are going to try something to see how to make that work. So yeah, let's use a similar flow to these deposit money, um deposit fund, deposit fund. Forgive my spellings. So deposit fund, and bring it up here. So we are going to use the same uh, flow we have here. Please select your preferred payment method. So reduce it to about 9 and centralize it to fit this. Centralize this. So yeah. But we are going to change this to bank transfer or card payment. So the first option is going to be bank transfer. Um, so we say fund your exchange account by transferring funds via bank transfer. So this is more like a solution because you only find bank application that allows you to deposit money. So find a way around it. So from your bank and card payment. So yeah, let's give an option for card payment. So what was this? I think this was bold. Okay, so let's leave it at bold. So fun. Let's copy this so we don't have to or type fund your exchange account um with your, let's change this to white so you can see what we're typing. With your VEF, um Naira, MasterCard, or Visa debit card. So yeah, that's it. You can fund your account. Let's reduce this to about 10, and that's it. Add card. Add Do we have a card icon? Yes, we do. So let's stick it in here. Let's stick it in here and add an icon to this card payment. So remember where to download your icons from. You can download it from feather icon. You can download it from flat icon. So that's done. That's pretty much it. So deposit money. So when you select your whatever card you method you want to send the money to you, then the next thing is going to be edit account information. So if you want to do bank transfer, then there's going to be a default account from there's going to be a default account from Exchange Bank that you can deposit it to. This is, like I said earlier, this is like a solution we are trying to create. So, um, but I believe it works this way. If you want to go this route, it still works. Make this guy black and make this other guy. So um, black is not foreign to Exchange Bank, so let's use that. Your okay, let's change it to white so you can see what's going to be there. Okay, so your account detail. So Exchange Bank will create a custom account that you can transfer to by copying and making payment from wherever you want to make your bank transfer from, whether it's from OTP, you're transferring it from a another bank to your exchange account. It allows you to do that. So we have an icon to work for that perfectly. So transferring from your primary bank account to exchange bank. So make a bank transfer into your account detail below, right? To fund your exchange wallet. So yeah, good. We're good. So let's centralize that and proceed from there. So your exchange account could be 08023567990. Right, increase it to about 30 or these or 25. So bolden it and exchange naira account. So similarly, your dollar account would have the same account number. So yeah, so you transfer from wherever, put into your exchange, and there you deposit into your exchange wallet to take. So all you have to do is copy. Now if you go to transfer, which is your opacity of this too. We can download a copy icon or we can also create it ourselves to bring this forward and voila. So um, so that's the first method, and the second method is going to be card payment, which you have to add your um yeah, I mean, to complete that flow you have to um So deposit form, proceed to payment. Okay, so the next stage of fund deposit is going to be deposit fund, which is obviously going to be your card, and you take the money out and you replace it with card. It's your card here. Increase the size a little bit and centralize it. Centralize this guy too. Okay, so deposit. Um, so we're going to say like enter amount and amount in Nigerian naira, as Nigerian naira or Nigerian naira is proper better. So just follow these steps one by one. And we're going to enter Nigerian medium. Okay, so now is to input the amount you want to deposit, but let's draw the input shape first. Um, I don't think we have to creating this every time, but for now let's just be quick about creating it. So that's naira there. Okay, so better. Yeah, so change it to 122 0.5. So yeah, you input your the amount you want to transfer, then you come to um this part, you delete this part out. This is for the second flow. Let me indicate it. Card payment is for card payment. Okay, so What bank is it? Exchange Bank. So um, so uh, input amount you want to input. So yeah, so there you go. Now you can bring this back and demarcation to demarcate things and process. Estimated total could be amount in naira, how much you want to deposit, and it's 3,000 naira. So that is editable. So estimated total is going to be about 3,100,000 um 100 naira. I don't know why the color looks different from every other. Okay, opacity is down. I see opacity. There is good. Um, we impute that. When you're done imputing that, then you can impute your cancel or continue depending. Done or cancel. So all of them are going to be in blue so that you know that it's clickable. They are both clickable. So alright, that's good. So when you're done, let's make this done and cancel bold. About 14 is good. About 13 is good. Let's demarcate it a little bit. So when we're done with that, the next thing is going to be make payment. Which before you can make payment, you have to add your card. Wow, 1 hour, Jesus. It's wahala. So make payment. So don't forget that each of these process and steps you can always go back. So we are going to create our front and back. So for this, let's add our card. So still on make payment, we um have to add card information. So make the whole background black and make this white. Make this white and a few tweaks to make it look like an ATM card at this top here. Might not necessarily be the same roundness. So add card information here. So let's make this white. So reduce this size 8 and expiry date. Expiry date CVP plus CVC. expiry date, and so that you input your CV, expiry date, year and month and year, and increase it a little bit. So increase the size to about 13. Increase the size to about 13, and yeah, that's fine. Border radius, let's make it a bit more rounded. So 8 and 9. So 8. So here you can fill in your information. Then here you can fill in your information. So let's go fill in your information. I think this is like the second to last page to before we prototype our interface. So this is to tick. We use it to about this size, and add number, month, and year. See. So um, action button up here. Yeah. So also we have the option of saving payment method. By clicking this, you save payment method. So okay, so let's centralize this and make this look good. Okay, so we'll continue.
Israel, Israel, Amen.
So we continue from here and complete everything.